Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome. Today we are about to cook dinner with you guys. You ready, guys? Let's have some amazing dinner for us. We just in store for you guys. Will be amazing. Just enjoy. Let's get our dinner ready here now. We're about, and we want to enjoy the dinner, guys. Today I want to cook you. I'm going to cook you one of the most popular food in Kenya, the most unique and the most amazing food that is consumed among Kenya. Yo, summer people, welcome back into this video, guys. Today I'm about to cook for you one of the most favorite dish in Kenya, ugali, man. I will show you how to knead it nicely, to bring the flavor, to bring the texture, guys. Ready, guys? Let's dive and see how to cook ugali today. I'm ready, guys. The process of cooking until we put it on the table and then we smash it, guys. Not forgetting to like the video, subscribe and share, guys. I'll see you back in another video, guys. Let's go back straight to Uganda and see how far things are going. Ready, guys? That's a snippet of what is going down there. I'm just giving you a snippet of what is. Guys, let's see you back, guys. Enjoy the video, guys. Are you coming to eat with me today, guys? Of course, I know you must eat with me. No more deals, guys. Hey, what's up, bro? What's in it for us today, man? Mm. You can see anaspin vitu hapo hivyo mzee, kama hivyo anaona, si ndio? Mzee leo unaspin nini hapo hivyo?
There I'm making some ugali
Ah,
plus the managu.
plus the managu.
Yes.
So hii managu tunakulia nini nao sasa?
We are going to take the managu with the ham.
Mm.
Yes.
So guys, you can see the guys really spinning things there. It's no joke, guys. The Kenyan best meal. So what's in for us today, man? We have some managus here, some vegetables. Oh, you can see the moisture coming in down the lamb. Those are managus, man. Let's go for it. Leo tunataka mzee kulaloa kitu hapo hivi. Hakuna kupembeleza, si ndio?
Yes.
So lazima tuwai. So you can show people how to cook some ugali there.
Yeah, this is how we cook some ugali. We are adding some more flour.
You add something more, man. Msana spin vitu hapo kidesign, brother. Hataki mchezo.
That's how we do it.
So that's the process of spinning that thing, man. Now spinning kidesign.
It was not enough, then we had some more. We had a little bit.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, guys. You have to continue spinning. You have to continue knitting it nicely. As you can see, it's knitting there. You have to knit it nicely to make it soft. I know most of you don't know how to cook ugali. Some of you just cook a belly. Mnapika walingine ngumu mazee. You have to knead it smoothly. As you continue adding you add some flour there. As you can see, it's adding some flour. Yeah, that's it, guys. Continue, man, adding. So that's the process of guys cooking while there. We're ready now to dive in on this thing, man. Want to fuck it and eat it. Si ndio, guys? Ama vipi, bro?
Yeah.
Unaendaje mazee? Leo lazima upike kitu imeisha yani. Kama hivyo kazuri, si ndio? Zaki mchezo, brother. So that is it, guys. Sasa naona mzee anasidi kuniti hapo kinicely mazee kidesign. Ataki jokes kiasi, si ndio?
So you have to give it some time so that it can you give it time so that it can remain fresh, you know. Want to make it more tasty. So it takes around some 15 minutes to like cook this. Around some 15 minutes, and then you're ready to go. Right? Yeah, so guys, it's ready guys, you can see now. You have to kind of like you have to kind of like eh? Lazima ufinye finye vizuri hivi at least ikuwe presentable kidogo kidogo mazee. Yeah, let's go man. So that is it guys, ready to come with me? Let's take it guys. That's crazy man. Lazima ukafinye finye, naona kanatoa moshi it's kind of some moisture there. So we want to combine it with some vegetables right here, and we are ready to eat this thing. Hey, what's up, guys? Come to me now. It's time to market, man. You know what I'm saying? Yummy. More of yummy, man. It's kind of yummy. Tasty, man.